Hello, Miss Macias' class. I hope all of you are safe and doing well. But for this week's assignment, I want to continue doing your geometry book. I think it's best if we just continue doing our work and not get too far behind. I hope everybody's doing good. Um, when you open up your Chromebook, I would like you to find your geometry book. It will be in your Google Drive. Click on your Google Drive. You'll find your project right here. It'll say My Geometry Book. What I'd like you to do is click on it 2 times to open it up. And before we get started, I would like you to share your geometry book with me. Click share and just type my email, my name. You can just type KAY.WLLER and you will find my name. If you can click on it and send that to me, that's how I know that you have done it and you will get credit for the assignment. I'm not going to send that to myself. And let's get started. If you are ever absent or you're not on the same exact slide that I am on, don't worry about that. Let's just continue moving forward from today. And next time I see you guys, we can get everything all straightened out. If you are here and you did not miss anything, you should be on page 23. We're talking about our 3D shapes. The last one we left off on was the rectangular prism. We talked about how it has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. And we're just going to continue here. To continue, we're just going to add a slide. We'll hit the drop down arrow, title only. Next 3D shape that we're going to learn about would be the pyramid. Pyramid is a 3D shape that has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. Again, pyramid would be our vocabulary word. I'll highlight that. I'll make this bigger so you guys can see it. At any point, please stop this video and you can work on your slide. You're going to probably have to go back and forth between this video and your project. And that's just what we're going to have to do for now. To find the pyramid, you're going to go to the shape tool. Right to the left of it is insert image. We're going to have to insert an image. We'll have to search the web for a pyramid. There's not going to be a good pyramid. I want you to type pyramid geometry. You just type GEO, it should come up pyramid geometry. And I would like you to use a pyramid with a square bottom. These are the ones that we learn about in elementary school. Move it, size a little bit bigger. And you will see the top of the pyramid is called an apex, and the bottom of the pyramid is called a base. Pyramid, 5 faces, 8 edges, 5 vertices. And we'll continue. We'll add a slide. Next one will be sphere. Sphere is a 3D shape that has 0 faces, 0 edges, and 0 vertices. Sphere is our vocabulary word. I'll make this a little bit bigger. Oops. And here you're going to go into your insert image button, search, and we're going to just type sphere. Any one of these balls, these spheres would work. You can click on it, insert it. And there you have it, sphere. Next, we're going to talk about different types of angles and the instrument that we use to measure angles. And the instrument that we use, you probably have used it a little bit in 4th grade, is called a protractor. Protractor is an instrument that is used to measure angles of shapes. I'll size it for you guys. Protractor is a vocabulary word. Again, there's not going to be a picture of it. You're going to have to search Google, search the web, get rid of sphere and put protractor. Like you use just the first one, that's all you need. Insert it in. You can size it down. And this instrument is used to measure angles of shapes, and it will tell you exactly the correct measurement of the shape. Protractor. Remember, at any time, if you have to hit pause during the video to do your project, that's perfectly fine. The next slide, what I'd like to do is going to learn about the three types of angles. One, the right angle. Right angle is an angle that is exactly 90 degrees. I'll size this for you guys. Right angle is our vocabulary word. Now, when you do our right angle, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the line tool that we have used in the past. You're going to just click. Right angle has to be perfectly straight up and down. I know it might be hard on your Chromebook, but do the best you can. If you change the weight of the line to change the thickness of it, it might be a little bit easier for you guys to make that line. Use the line tool one more time. You can either go left or right. It doesn't matter if you want to go this way, that's fine. And most of the time you'll see in geometry a little square. I'm going to just keep this transparent. In the bottom corner of a right angle to notify you that it's exactly 90 degrees. When I'm talking about 90 degrees, I'm talking about this right here. There's my protractor. If I measure it, you should see that it is exactly 90 degrees. Pretty good. You do not have to put that protractor on. I was just showing you what I meant by using this protractor. This is what it should look like. Next. The next is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is our vocabulary word. Highlighting that in red. I'll change the size so everybody can see. We're going to go back to our line tool. I'll change the weight. Line tool again. And what I'm going to do is go back to the line tool. I'm going to hit the arrow to the right of it. I'm going to go all the way down to where it says scribble. I'm going to click and hold. I'm going to make a little angle, a little arch. Here's my protractor, just to repeat. If this is 90 degrees, straight up and down, anything on this side would be obtuse. But again, yours should look something like this. And the last one we'll do for today, just to try it out to see if this works, is a acute angle. An angle that is less than 90 degrees. You go back to the line tool you probably were on Scribble. You're going to have to go back to line. change the thickness, and I'll scribble that. Highlight a vocabulary word, and change the size. There. Now I know it was pretty short. I just want to see if this works. If you guys are getting these messages, if you guys watching the video and doing your work, if you can just do this part, cool. Enjoy your week. Remember, I only see you guys once a week for 45 minutes. This should take probably around 20, 25 minutes or so. Usually we talk about it and everything, but I don't want to get too far ahead. If you have missed any slides from the past, don't worry about it. Again, I can always share this with you, or when we do have school again, um, I can always get you caught up. So don't worry about that. Just do the slides that we went over today, and everything will be okay. Don't forget to share it. This is how you're going to get credit for your assignment. I hope everybody's doing well, and I will see you soon. Bye.